Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into 17 secrets of the rich that the poor ignore. We live in a world where wealth is unevenly distributed. Some people rise to extraordinary financial success, while others struggle paycheck to paycheck. But here's the truth. It's not just about luck or being born into money. The wealthy play by a set of rules and habits that most people ignore. In this video, we'll uncover 17 secrets of the rich that the poor often overlook. 1. The rich value time over money. Poor people often trade time for money, working endless hours just to survive. The rich flip the equation. They use money to buy back their time. They delegate, automate, and invest, ensuring that their hours are spent on high-value activities rather than repetitive tasks. 2. They focus on assets, not income. Most people measure wealth by how much they earn. The rich measure wealth by the assets they own: businesses, stocks, real estate, intellectual property. Assets generate cash flow even when they're not working. Income stops when you stop working. Assets keep paying. 3. They think long-term. Poor people chase quick wins, lottery tickets, get-rich-quick schemes, fast money. The wealthy think in decades, not days. They understand compounding and allow time to multiply their wealth. 4. They invest in themselves first. The poor hesitate to spend money on personal growth, courses, mentors, new skills. The rich know that knowledge and mindset create future wealth. Every dollar invested in self-education pays exponential returns later. 5. They understand leverage. Wealthy people rarely do everything alone. They use leverage: money, technology, networks, and people. A poor person may say, "I can't afford to hire help." The rich ask, "How can I afford to free my time and scale bigger?" 6. They avoid consumer debt. Poor people use debt to buy things that lose value: clothes, cars, gadgets. The wealthy use debt strategically to acquire appreciating assets like rental properties or to grow businesses. One creates financial slavery, the other creates financial freedom. 7. They prioritize multiple streams of income. The average person depends on a single paycheck. The rich never rely on just one source. They diversify: investments, businesses, royalties, dividends. When one stream slows, the others keep flowing. 8. They build powerful networks. The rich know that relationships are assets. They spend time with mentors, entrepreneurs, investors, and high achievers. Poor people often stay in circles that complain instead of create. Your network shapes your net worth. 9. They embrace calculated risks. Poor people fear losing money, so they avoid risks entirely. The wealthy understand that no great reward comes without risk. But they take calculated risks, researching, preparing, and ensuring the odds are in their favor. 10. They stay financially literate. The poor often avoid financial topics because they feel complicated. The rich make money management a priority. They study taxes, investments, business structures, and market trends because financial ignorance is expensive. 11. They don't trade happiness for status. Poor people often spend money on appearances: designer clothes, flashy cars, things that impress others. The rich prioritize freedom and results over showing off. They understand that true wealth is silent, not loud. 12. They let money work while they sleep. Most people only earn when they're awake and working. The wealthy create passive income streams: dividends, rental income, online businesses that generate money around the clock. This is how the rich truly escape the time for money trap. 13. They adapt quickly to change. Poor people resist change, clinging to old ways of making money. The rich embrace innovation, new industries, emerging technologies, changing consumer trends. They spot opportunities early, while others are still doubting. 14. They guard their mindset. The poor see money as scarce. The rich see money as abundant and flowing. They believe opportunities exist everywhere if you're willing to look and act. A wealthy mindset attracts wealthy outcomes. 1. They know the power of taxes. Most poor people only think of taxes once a year. The rich design their entire financial life around minimizing taxes legally. They use corporations, trusts, and smart strategies to keep more of what they earn. 16. They pass wealth through generations. The rich don't just think about themselves, they think about legacy. They set up investments, trusts, and businesses that continue long after they're gone. The poor often spend everything in their lifetime, leaving little behind. 17. They take responsibility for their future. The poor often blame governments, employers, or circumstances for their financial struggles. The rich take full responsibility. They know nobody is coming to save them, so they create opportunities instead of waiting for them. Wealth isn't reserved for a select few. It's built by following principles most people ignore. If you adopt even a handful of these 17 secrets, your financial life will transform. Remember, money follows discipline, knowledge, and action. The difference between the rich and the poor isn't luck. It's mindset, choices, and habits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.